Keeping your home safe is more important than ever. You want to protect your family and your belongings. A wireless security camera system is a great way to do this. It lets you see what is happening at your home, even when you are not there. This can give you great peace of mind. You can check on your pets, see when a package arrives, or make sure the kids got home from school safely. Modern cameras are easy to use and not very expensive. They are a smart choice for anyone who wants to feel a little more secure in their own space, providing a watchful eye over everything you value most. Before you begin setting up your new camera system, it is a good idea to gather everything you need. This will make the process much smoother and faster. First, you will need your new wireless camera or cameras from the box. You will also need your smartphone or a computer to set things up. Make sure you know your home Wi-Fi network name and password, as you will need this information to connect the cameras to the internet. For mounting the cameras, you might need a drill, some screws, and a screwdriver. A ladder might be necessary if you plan to place your cameras up high for a better view. Having all your tools and information ready will save you from stopping in the middle of the installation. Check the camera's box to see if it came with its own mounting hardware like screws or brackets. Most do, but it is always good to double check. Also, ensure the spot you have chosen for your camera is near a power outlet if it is a plug-in model. For battery-powered cameras, make sure the batteries are fully charged before you start. This preparation step is key. It turns a potentially confusing job into a simple and straightforward project that you can complete with confidence. Think about where you want to put your cameras for the best coverage. Good places include your front door, back door, or any ground floor windows. You might also want a camera watching over your driveway or your backyard. The goal is to see the important areas around your home. Consider the camera's field of view, which is how wide of an area it can see. Planning this out before you drill any holes will ensure you get the most out of your new security system. A little bit of planning now will lead to a much safer and more secure feeling later on, knowing all key spots are monitored. Now it is time for the fun part, installing the camera hardware. Start by choosing the best location for your first camera. A great spot is often near your front door, placed high enough so it cannot be easily reached. This position gives you a clear view of anyone approaching your home. Before you drill any holes, hold the camera in the spot you have chosen. Use your smartphone to check the live view from the camera's app to make sure you like the angle. This simple test ensures you are happy with the view before you commit to mounting it permanently. Once you have confirmed the perfect spot, you can begin the physical installation. If you are mounting the camera on a wall, you will likely need to use a drill. Use a pencil to mark where the screws will go, using the camera's mounting bracket as a guide. Drill small pilot holes on the marks you made. This makes it much easier to screw the bracket into the wall. Then securely attach the mounting bracket to the wall with the screws provided. Make sure the bracket is level and feels sturdy before you attach the camera to it. After the bracket is securely in place, you can attach the camera. Most wireless cameras easily click, twist, or slide onto their mounting brackets. Follow the simple instructions that came with your specific model to ensure it is attached correctly. Once the camera is on the bracket, you can usually adjust the angle. Point it exactly where you want it to look. You can fine-tune this later using the app, but it is good to get the general direction right from the start. Take your time to get the angle just how you want it for the best possible view. If your camera is not battery-powered, you will need to plug it into a power outlet. Some outdoor cameras come with long power cords to make this easier. You may need to run the cord along the wall to the nearest outlet. Use small clips to secure the cord neatly against the wall to keep it safe and tidy. For battery-powered models, this is the point where you would insert the fully charged battery. Repeat this entire process for any other cameras you're setting up around your property, taking one camera at a time to keep things simple. With your cameras physically installed, the next step is to bring them to life by connecting them to your home's Wi-Fi network. This is how your cameras will send video to your phone or computer. The first thing you need to do is download the camera's official application, or app, onto your smartphone. You can find it by searching for the brand's name in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have downloaded and installed the app, you will need to create a new user account. This usually just requires an email address and a password. Now open the app and look for an option that says Add Device or Set Up New Camera. The app will guide you through the next steps. It will likely ask you to turn on your camera or press a sync button on the device. Your phone will then try to find the camera's signal. This process is often automatic and only takes a minute or two. The app is designed to be very user-friendly, so just follow the on-screen prompts. It will tell you exactly what to do at each stage to make the connection process as easy as possible. The most important part of this step is connecting the camera to your home Wi-Fi. The app will show you a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home network's name from this list. Then, you will be asked to carefully type in your Wi-Fi password. Be sure to enter it correctly, as a wrong password is a common reason for setup to fail. Some cameras might ask you to show a QR code from your phone's screen to the camera's lens. This is just a clever way for the camera to quickly and securely get your Wi-Fi information. After you have entered the Wi-Fi details, the camera will take a moment to connect to the network. The app will let you know when the connection is successful. You should now be able to see a live video feed from your camera right on your phone. You can also give your camera a name like front door or backyard to help you stay organized. If you want to view the video on a computer, visit the camera brand's website and log in with the same account you created on your phone. This gives you another convenient way to monitor your home. Sometimes things do not go perfectly on the first try, but do not worry. Most common issues are very easy to fix. If your camera will not connect to the Wi-Fi, the first thing to check is your password. Make sure you typed it in exactly right, as passwords are case sensitive. Another common problem is that the camera might be too far away from your Wi-Fi router. Try moving the camera closer to the router for the initial setup. If it connects, you know that the original spot might have a weak signal. A Wi-Fi extender can help boost the signal to those hard-to-reach areas. If the video feed is choppy or slow, it is also likely a Wi-Fi signal issue. A weak connection can cause poor video quality. Again, a Wi-Fi extender placed between your router and the camera can solve this problem. You can also try restarting your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. Sometimes this simple reboot is all that is needed to improve your network's performance. Also, check the camera's app for any settings related to video quality. Choosing a slightly lower quality can sometimes result in a smoother video stream if your internet is slow. Another thing to check is the camera's power source. For battery-powered cameras, make sure the battery is fully charged. The app will usually show you the battery level so you can see when it is getting low. For cameras that plug in, ensure the power cord is securely connected at both ends. If the camera has a status light, check what the light's color or pattern means in the user manual. A blinking red light, for example, might indicate a connection problem, while a solid green light could mean everything is working perfectly, and as it should be. Congratulations, your wireless camera system is now set up. You have taken a big step toward making your home a safer place. Now you can check in on your home from anywhere in the world, right from your phone. This brings an incredible feeling of security and control. You can see when your kids get home, talk to a delivery person at your door, or just have a look to make sure everything is okay. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing you have a reliable, watchful eye on your home, protecting what matters most to you, day and night.